Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Crazy Divya Official, and in this video I will talk about a new book which I finished recently on Amazon Kindle, and it was an amazing experience because this was the first time when I read a science fiction book, and the name of the book is Beyond the Father Book 1 God on the Trials, the series. So in this video I will give my honest review about this book and also will tell you why you should read this book. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So this book is a really interesting story about robots and humans on a planet. The planet is not doing well, it's falling apart, and the different groups of people are fighting. So what I liked most about this book is the great storytelling. The writer actually tells different stories about power, rich people, poor people, and spiritual things. So the story has many parts like problems in one place, coming revolution, and a big war over not much stuff. And there is also a mysterious god who talks with a smart friend and gives a different view of what's happening. The characters in the book are well written, and I liked their adventures and changes throughout the story. So what makes this book special is how it surprises you. Just when you think you know where the story is going, the author does something unexpected, and that actually keeps you interested. Even though the story is cool, but it has some tricky parts. There is a lot of information, and you might have questions and want to know more. Sometimes the story doesn't go in order, so you need to pay close attention. But if you do, you will feel close to the characters and care about what happens to them. In the end, Beyond the Father is a story that makes you think. It mixes science fiction and fantasy with deep thoughts and characters. So it is a must read if you like stories that make your mind work, even though it leaves you wanting more and with some questions. I would highly recommend Beyond the Father to those people who like science fiction and fantasy books. So it is really interesting story that moves quickly but keeps you engaged. And I can't wait to read other books in the series and see what happens next. So yeah, that's all for today. If you liked my video, then don't forget to hit a big thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon button so that whenever I upload a new video in the future, you can get a notification. So yeah, I will see you in my next video, and also don't forget to grab a copy of this book. I will put the link of this book in my description box so that you can buy from that link. So yeah, that's all for today, and if you liked my video, then don't forget to hit a big thumbs up and subscribe my YouTube channel, and also press the bell icon button so that whenever I upload a video in the future, you can get a notification. And don't forget to read this book. I will share the link of the book in my description box so that you can grab a copy of this book. So yeah, I will see you in my next video. Till then, stay happy, stay healthy, take care, bye bye.